Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we will be making a white sangria. Maybe not exactly the sangria you know, but really creative and delicious nonetheless. So we'll be starting off with a bottle of white wine. I'm using pinot grigio. I'd also recommend a sauvignon blanc. And in this case too, like, you don't need to use a really expensive bottle. Just buy a cheap bottle, because otherwise the flavors of a nice one will just get lost anyways. Next, we will be adding some brandy, and also instead of like a store-bought juice that you might normally see in sangria, I thought might as well just make kind of our own, but make it fresher. So I decided to blend together some fresh fruit with some sugar and water and make like a fruit puree. So in this case, I've used some pineapple and some peaches. We're gonna toss in some lemon and orange slices as well, and then some fresh basil, because why not? It is almost summer, and this is gonna be a delightful large batch, so we're gonna pre-make it ahead of time. It's gonna make quite a few servings, so you can enjoy it all day long. Hope you guys are excited. Hop on the couch and let's whip one up. Now to build our sangria, I'm going to start off with the fresh fruit puree. So once again, I've blended together some fresh cubed pineapples, some peaches, and some sugar and water. You can feel free to swap in or out whatever fruit that you like or that's in season. Just get creative, and most importantly, use whatever you'll enjoy. Next, some brandy. A whole bottle of wine. Just go ahead and toss it right on in. And for garnish, just gonna toss in some cubed pineapple, some peaches, our citrus, and our basil. And I'm not adding ice in this just because we don't want it to over dilute. I would add ice to the glass as you're serving it, and then just give it a little stir to incorporate all of that garnish. Oh my God, she is a thing of beauty. Now that is a white sangria. Cheers.